Hey guys, it's AJ here at HOGWORKZ, and today I have for you our Halo Maker series for our 23.5 to 26 Street Glide. And it's going to be available in a chrome or a black, and it's going to be a direct replacement to your OEM headlight on your front fairing, and it's going to be an easy plug and play. The high beam is going to come in at around 5,500 lumens, and your low beam is going to be at around 3,600 lumens, a little bit brighter than stock, and it'll be a better looking replacement. So let's get our Halo Maker installed on the bike. Leave a like and subscribe. We're going to start this install with the fairing already off of our Street Glide. If you would like to see how to take your front fairing off, there will be a link in the description below, so be sure to check that out. Let's get to it. So we got our 23.5 Street Glide front fairing here with our stock headlight in it. First thing we're going to do is pop off this wire harness right here. Pop these off, and we can unplug our headlight here. Get the harness out of the way, and then we're going to take our T27 bit here. We got these 4 bolts. Take these out. Alright, and once you got those out, kind of scoot it to one side here, pull it out. Make sure you catch your fairing because it'll want to fall. We got our stock headlight. We're going to lay it down like this. First, we're going to take our standard 1/8 Allen, and we're going to take off our adjustment screws here. And the new headlight is going to come with new hardware. So when you pull these out, you can just put them right back in the headlight so you don't lose them. So we got that loose. And we're going to take our 5/32 Allen, loosen up these on the side, remove these. You will not be reusing these. Same thing on the other side. So now you got that off. Okay, now that all the hardware is removed, you have your headlight mounting bracket here. We're going to take it, put it on our new headlight. Make sure your harness is out of the way here. We're going to take the supplied hardware. We're going to go ahead and do the sides here. Just go ahead and get those started. And we'll take our screws here. For our adjustment, these are going to be metric. You're going to take your 3mm and install these down here. Once you get these installed, go ahead and tighten them up, snug them down. The hardware on the side is going to be a 4mm Allen. Go ahead and snug those up too. Same thing on this side. Okay, once you got those snugged down, we can reinstall this back in our front fairing. Okay guys, since we're not going to use our stock hardware, we're going to go ahead and put it back in our stock headlight so we don't lose it. Okay. And because our HOGWORKZ headlight has a lifetime warranty, you can throw this on the shelf and forget about it. All right guys, now we're going to take our Halo Maker headlight that we just installed on our stock bracket. We're going to go ahead and put it back in our fairing here, bring it in at an angle here, get it down underneath the black clips, and it should just slide right in. We'll take our T27 Torx. We'll go ahead and reinstall these. Okay. Now that you have our Halo Maker bolted in here, go ahead and clip the harness back on. And just push pin down in to the spots. Then you'll take our headlight here. Go ahead and plug it in. And if you want to, you can throw a zip tie in here just to keep everything secure if you want. Now we're going to get our front fairing put on our Street Glide here. First thing you want to do is plug it in. Get this pushed into place here. There. Make sure everything pops in. T27 here. Pop the cover on. Now we'll get the fairing buttoned up and we'll check to make sure our headlight works. T27 all around. Just using this because our mirrors are in the way and I don't feel like moving them. These are our performance mirrors, and you can get them at hogworks.com in a variety of different colors with the carbon fiber insert. Line up your holes on each side. T27, tighten these down. Get your HOGWORKZ windshield in a variety of different colors at hogworks.com. Take our HOGWORKZ T20 windshield bolts. All right, let's check and make sure the headlight works. Let's see how the headlight looks. You got your low beam, your high beam. All right, guys, that concludes the install of your HaloMaker headlight for your 23.5 and up Street Glide. Check it out at hogworks.com.